Good afternoon again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All of you are in the 10th class.
Yes.
Right? And another 5 to 6 months, you will be out of school.
Yes.
Right? Wonderful experience in this school for this period of time that you were here.
Yes.
You enjoyed your learning,
Yes.
playing,
Yes.
making friends.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the start of life. Right? Once you start moving out of school, right, your life starts in a new way. School is school. You learn a lot of subjects. You are growing up. 5 years ago, if you look at your photograph and if you look at yourself today in the mirror, what a big difference, right? 5 years ago, when you were roughly around 10 years old, and now when you are 15, a very, very big difference, right? You have changed in a big way, and from now on, where you have developed your ability to think independently, you are sent out of school. When you develop the ability to think independently, you move out of school. जब तक स्कूल में रहते ये तसव्वुर किया जाता, it is understood that you will be guided and goaded. Goad करना यानी push करना, right? Generally, animals are goaded. Right? So, you are not yet developed the ability to reason independently. So, you need regular guidance, and where guidance doesn't work, you need to be pushed. That is goaded. Right? Part of upbringing. The same happens at home. होता ही नहीं ऐसी? ठीक है? हाँ नहीं समझ रहे तो नहीं समझ रहे, जो बोले वो करो. होता नहीं होता? After going out of school, that becomes minimal. It becomes very, very less because it is expected both at home and when you are at college that you should be able to think for yourself and guide yourself and goad yourself. That is, push yourself to what you want to do, right? Taking inputs from all sides. Taking inputs from all sides. You are required to take inputs. Even at my age, if you have to take a decision, if you have to make a decision, ठीक है, बाहर की रियलिटी को आपको समझना कभी भी पड़ेगा. तो इनपुट्स कभी भी रुकेंगे नहीं, मरते दम तक नहीं रुकेंगे, ठीक है. मगर डिसीजन मेकिंग आपके हाथ में आना शुरू हो जाती है. सो इट बिकम्स वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड and have the information to take the right kind of decisions in life. Because now, if decisions are not taken on the basis of correct information, correct understanding, the chances of going wrong become more and more. आँख मूंछ के अगर आप मार्बल्स खेल रहे हैं, गोलियां खेल रहे हैं, आंख मूंछ के मारे तो चांसेस लगने के ज्यादा हैं या तवज्जो के साथ आंख खोल के मारे? बिल्कुल सही बोल रहा हूं ना? जिंदगी भी वैसी है. लाइफ इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. इट इज जस्ट द सिमिलर वे. वी एट टाइम्स क्लोज आवर आईज एंड वांट टू हिट आवर टारगेट. द चांसेस ऑफ हिटिंग इट आर मिनिमल. और लक की बात. सो यू आर प्लेसिंग योर सेल्फ ऑन द पाथ ऑफ लक. टेल मी फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंस, from people you think are doing something good, right? How many of them are doing so because of luck, and how many of them are doing it as a result of understanding and hard work? Any person you admire, right? How much is he a product of luck, and how much is he a product of proper understanding and effort? बोलिए. How much? Any person you admire, XYZ किसी को भी आप admire कर रहे हो, घर में वालिद को कर रहे हो, ठीक है, सोसाइटी में किसी को कर रहे हो, टीचर को कर रहे हो, किसी को आप दिमाग में अपने मर्जी से ले लीजिए, एनीबडी यू एडमायर, हाउ मच इज ही और शी अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ चांस, ऑफ लक और अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एफर्ट? टेल मी. बोलो. Great scientist? Okay, Stephen Hawking. And yeah.
So, I think whatever work he has done, whatever he has accomplished, he has done all by himself to the proper understanding which he has got from the universe.
That is so great. Listen down. Right? He's speaking of Stephen Hawking. I'll just come back. Right? Stephen Hawking had a disease. Right? At a very young age. And despite of that, basically, I remember it was a motor neuron disease where his ability for motion and even talking, even for talking, even for talking, he had a problem. He had to use a special software for him to get understood. That software would take the inputs and it would magnify the voice and correct the pronunciation, and then he would be understood. Right? What an effort. And then he was working in a field which is very, very, very difficult. Right? The laws of the cosmos. Right? How the universe works, how the universe expands, how the universe interacts, what are black holes, all of these things. And that he was able to do as a result of a constant effort which he had, and he proved to us that the kind of problems which a person faces, if he has that kind of attitude to succeed, and it's not an attitude to succeed, it's an attitude to understand. Success came after understanding, right? He was not running after success. If we had run after success, his focus from understanding would have become less and less. It would have been reduced. The very fact he went after understanding. So understanding becomes the basis, the bedrock of people, anybody. Yeah, you were saying, you can just mention whose name you wanted to mention. Okay.
I believe that success comes by the combination of hard work and faith.
Hard work and
Faith.
faith. Okay, fine. Stephen Hawking initially had faith in God. By the end, he had lost faith in God. Right?
Yes.
By the end, if you study his book, History of Time, I've studied it, right? There he speaks of God. And by the time he comes to the fag end, right, he feels there is no God. I'll come to this at the end of my talk. Right? So now the whole question is, at the school level, you are given the basis for understanding a wide variety of subjects, which later on you don't study. At college level, you don't study all the subjects. But why are you taught all this in school? You have a basic understanding of languages, 3 in your case, right? You have a basic understanding of mathematics, sciences, history, and geography. Anything I'm missing? Why this wide variety of subjects? The reason is this is the foundation. And what is the worth of a foundation if nothing is built on it? कोई वैल्यू है फाउंडेशन की अगर उस पर कुछ और बनाया न जाए, है या नहीं है? तो आप लोग जो भी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और अभी करेंगे, वट एवर एफर्ट यू विल पुट इन, राइट, फ्रॉम नाउ और वॉट एवर यू हैव पुट इन अर्लियर years or months, right, finally would be the foundation for your growth in the next phase of your life, where you will be taking decisions by yourself. People will not follow you the way they followed you at home as well as in college. So now the question is, this foundation has been laid, right? It might have weaknesses which you can later cover up, But the best part is if you are being examined and put into an examination mode, the more effort you can put now to understand all these subjects in the best way possible, you are not wasting your time. You will not revisit the school again for going through this process. Nobody wants to revisit the school for going through the process, right? Of making and getting the foundation right. So whatever effort you will all be making would be to get your foundation in the best form possible. That foundation is there. Now the question is, once the foundation is done and you have a basic understanding of what world is, history tells you that, how the world is physically, geography tells you that, how we are placed in society, part of geography and history and civics, right? And sciences and maths give you the picture of what lies ahead in the form of higher maths or higher sciences. Language is a common thing which leads you to understanding the subject more so English, and the other two languages make you understand your own culture and your own country in a better way. So ये हो गया आपका comprehensive pattern for understanding life in general. Now the question is, what are we? This question is very, very important for all of us. भाई हम फाउंडेशन बना लिए, फाउंडेशन हमारा बन गया, थोड़ा कमजोर थोड़ा अच्छा, ठीक है, आगे करेंगे. थोड़ी मैथ्स अगर कमजोर थी, थोड़ी मेहनत पूरी यहाँ कर लेंगे 5-6 महीने, उसके बाद भी अगर हम मैथ्स लेंगे तब भी हमको और मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, हम उसको कवर कर लेंगे. साइंसेस में भी वैसे ही, आर्ट्स में भी वैसे ही, कॉमर्स में भी वैसे, ठीक है. बट पुट ऑल योर एफर्ट, बिकॉज wasting time is something which if you start from now you will do it continually in life. So learn, the first thing is to stop wasting time at the level of 10th itself, because when you are free then you will not waste time. When now you are under pressure, you have learned how to waste time. Then when you are free, not followed up the way you are followed up when you are a child in school, you learn or automatically get into that mode, what we call the default mode, right? खुद ब खुद जाके उसमें बैठ जाएंगे और टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए ये फोन बहुत ही अच्छी या बुरी चीज. You learn how to waste your time. So first thing now during this 5-6 months that you are here and you are preparing for your exams, put all your efforts, stop wasting time. Learn how to stop waste time. We'll speak of now who we are, why we are, where we are, and these are questions which will be coming to you later on. Who we are is basically we are only 2% different from the point of view of DNA from a chimpanzee. Fine? चिंपैंजी के और हमारे दरमियान में जो डिफरेंस है, 98% हमारा डीएनए कॉमन है, 2% हमारा डीएनए डिफरेंट है, डिफर करता है, राइट? नॉट अ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग, राइट? 2% डिफरेंट है बोले चिंपैंजी से, राइट? यू आर ओनली yes 2 steps away from the chimpanzee, but do you feel that only 2 steps away from the chimpanzee or infinitely superior to the chimpanzee? Infinitely superior, right? There is no comparison. एक 3 साल का बच्चा भी एक 40 साल के चिंपैंजी से कंपेयर आप नहीं करते. Within 6 months the difference between the child, a human child, a human baby, compared to a chimpanzee starts widening. 6 months it starts widening, and on it goes till the fact that you start thinking and learning about very, very strange things and understanding and being capable of expressing it as well. So what is this 2% difference that is making such a big difference in our life? That is the who we are. This 2% gives us the ability to have a hardwired language in our brains. No other species in the world has language hardwired into it. Hardwired means you are having a hardware. You are having a hardware where you automatically start learning words from the age you are 6, 7, 8 months. Right? First taking the name of the mother, then taking the name of the father, then taking other names, and then start making sentences, and within no time you are on. By the age of 2, normally, some children speak a bit late, but normally you start making sentences. And they say that within 4 hours, a child learns a new word and learns when it's at its peak of learning language. At the age of 1.5 to 2.5, right? 4 hours, it learns a word and learns how to use it in various ways, in various different sentences. How is it happening? You are hardwired for it. You have been created like that. तो आपको ताजुब नहीं होना चाहिए कि बच्चे बात इतना अच्छा क्यों करने लगते हैं और किस तरीके से समझते हैं और किस तरीके से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. ठीक है? So keeping that in mind, we really require to understand that we are blessed with something within that 2% difference, which is extraordinary. है या नहीं है? That gives you the ability to learn. Then you start naming things, right? And from there the languages start, right? Every language has its own names, its own structure. Then you have the grammatical part of it, the syntax of it, right? What is a noun, what is a verb, where it is to be placed, how it is to be placed, adjective, interjection, conjunction, everything gets into the whole picture and it becomes more and more complicated and more beautiful, right? So now you are blessed with this and you are able to go back 6,000 years to learn from the writings of human beings who lived 6,000 years ago. Script developed around 6,000 years ago, 4000 BC in Mesopotamia, which is modern day Iraq, right? So they developed script at that point. From there on, it was been a march of civilization. So you know what the earlier people wanted to depict, what they wanted to say. No other animal has that at all. So the infinite difference is one, because your ability to do language, understand it, move it into a particular direction, and then be able to converse with each other and convert the language into script writing. What do you do in writing, in script? You give symbols for sounds. Language is sounds, right? And what do you do in writing? You give symbols for sounds. A has a sound, B has a b sound, C has a s sound, a k sound, right? Is it right or wrong? बोलो और इंटरेस्टिंग होता, थोड़ा देर गौर कर लो, काम की चीज़ है, काम आ जाएगी जिंदगी में. अगर ये नहीं समझे अब तो आगे जिंदगी में यही है कि आंखा बंद करके गोलियां खेल रही, समझ लो. और आंखा बंद करके गोलियां खेलने में कोई आंख खोल के गोली खेलने वाले के मुकाबले में कम्पीट नहीं करता. लोग और आंखें लगा के और फाइन अपने आंखों को करके देखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और हम अपने आंखा आधे बंद करके या पूरे बंद करके जिंदगी में उतर रहे हैं. So I'm telling you, take understand the great mercy that God has had on you and all of us to be able to have language, know the history of the civilization, see how each thing has developed. We have history from about maps which are 1,000-year-old. We have a geography, understanding of geography of 1,000 years ago. Cartography, which they say, and Islamic cartographers developed it for the first time. And they say, had it not been for the Islamic cartographers, we wouldn't have the knowledge of knowing land structures, land forms, which are 1,000 years old. So you have a history of 4,000 years, 6,000 years. You have a geography, very clear geography, in maps of 1,000 years. Languages, you have dictionaries, we started developing. Arabic dictionaries started coming around 1200 years ago. English dictionaries started coming around 400 years ago. French dictionary a bit 40 years before that. You understand? So languages developed and grew and proliferated all around. Right? And you know all that. And you know all that. You can know all that. So now that the foundation is set, how will your building be? A huge, big, colossal one or a small, tiny one?
Colossal.
Big, huge, right?
Yes.
And you have the potential for it. You have the potential for it, right? If Stephen Hawking, with all the problems he had, physical problems, mental problems, neurological problems, he could create something of that kind. Why can't we, with having all that, do something good depending upon our abilities to do good? हर आदमी के पास वैसी फिजिक्स की कैपेबिलिटी डेवलप होना जरूरी नहीं है। हर इंसान के पास बहुत बड़ा साइंटिस्ट बन जाना, बहुत बड़ा एकेडमिशियन बन जाना जरूरी नहीं है। बट लाइफ इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट बिकमिंग समथिंग रियली रियली ग्रेट। Life is about understanding yourself, who you are, and doing the best you can in the place where you are placed. ये important है। बड़े ख्वाबा देखकर अगर हम जो काम कर सकते हैं सामने वो भूल जाएं तो वो अच्छा होगा या बुरा होगा? बुरा होगा ना। बहुत बड़े ख्वाब देख रहे हैं, अभी हमको वहां पर जाना अभी पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन सामने की चीज बड़े ख्वाबों के तरफ से, इसको शेख चिल्ली के ख्वाब बोलते हैं। ऐसा मालूम आप लोग को? स्टेप बाय स्टेप ग्रोथ इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट विल हैपन इन लाइफ। ये चीज सीख लो। दैट विल ओनली हैपन इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड हु यू आर इन अ जनरल वे एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे, मखसूस तरीके से। ठीक है, खुद आप कहां पर है, दुनिया जा रही है एक तरफ, वो समझना चाहिए मैं दुनिया का हिस्सा हूं। आप खुद जा रहे हैं कि सड़क पर, आपको अपने आप को भी देखना पड़ता, समझना पड़ता। ठीक है, दुनिया में सब जने बहुत तेजी से जा रहे हैं, मैं भी ग्रुप में घुस गया तो मैं भी तेजी से चले जाऊंगा, पॉसिबल है? नहीं है। यू विल हैव टू मूव योर सेल्फ इन दैट डायरेक्शन। सो योर सेल्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल्सो बिकम्स इंपॉर्टेंट। एट व्हाट स्पीड, वेयर, हाउ, विद whom, in what format, all these decisions you will be starting to take once you go out of the school. I'm telling you, you will have to take these decisions, and the more open your eyes and your mind, and if possible your soul, both your eyes, your mind and your soul if possible, right? If all of them are absorbing facts and reality, your decision making will become more correct or less correct, right? And we stop that process, it becomes less and less, correct? So now that we have this 2% advantage in DNA, from which we have got the language, from language we got the script of the language, right? And now we have all the sciences and all the things which you studied up till 10th class and you are studying, right? Now the question is, what have human beings done with this 2% extra of DNA? Good or bad, or both? With 2% DNA and giving you a language, hardwiring it into your brain, if God has done something, has He done something good or something bad? Had we been chimpanzees, we would not have been in this number, 7 billion plus, right?
Yes.
There are no other animals of any kind of this magnitude of numbers. We don't have it. We grew because we can save ourselves from the vagaries of nature. हम nature से लड़ सकते हैं, हम घर बना सकते हैं, गर्मी सर्दी का इंतजाम कर सकते हैं, हम एग्रीकल्चर कर सकते हैं। ये सब चीजें हमारे ये नंबर्स को बढ़ा दिए। दूसरे जानवर नहीं बढ़ सकते वैसा, उनकी एक लिमिट है, जितना खाना उनको मिल जाएगा जंगल में या अतराफ से, उतना ही वो ग्रो हो सकते हैं। हमारा हिसाब नहीं है, वी हैव बीन ग्रोइंग एंड ग्रोइंग एंड ग्रोइंग लाइक फॉर इयर्स एंड इयर्स। So now with this capacity of ours to do both good and bad, obviously with what is happening in our times, we have been seeing what is happening in Palestine. गाजा का मालूम है ना?
Yes.
देख रहे हैं आप लोग?
Yes.
समझ रहे हैं?
Yes.
Most educated people, having the highest technology, having studied in Ivy League universities, right? The top universities of US are the Ivy League universities, right? Ivy is a kind of a bush, right, which grows on buildings. And since these old universities had ivy growing around on them, right, they were called Ivy League, big colleges, big universities. Products of Harvard, Oxford, Cambridge and Oxford in England, Stanford, Harvard, all other big names, Cornell, MIT, you name. These are products of those institutions. And what are they doing? Killing children and women by the thousands. सही बोल रहा हूँ, गलत बोल रहा हूँ? Right? Killing children and killing women who are not fighting them. The children are not fighting them. The women are not fighting them. Right? But they are killing them. And without any remorse. यानी जरी सी भी दिल को उनके तकलीफ नहीं हो रही है। दिख रहा है कोई सॉरी बोल रहा है, What has happened then? They took advantage of the 2% DNA which God had created, given them the benefit, right? Learned from it, developed institutions. In those institutions, they went and studied, developed good technology, using that technology to kill humans. They had done it earlier. You know about Hiroshima and Nagasaki, right?
Yes.
1945, August 6th and 9th. Hiroshima was bombed on the 6th. Nagasaki was bombed on the 9th of August 1945. Ended the Second World War, but it killed people by the thousands and maimed people, made them morbid, बीमारियों का मड़ू बना दिया उनको, ठीक है, for years and years, for the generation in which they were there and the generation which came after them, which had the impact of what had impacted them as a result of those bombs, right? Radiation. So what are we then? God did a good thing that He added 2%, or God did something not very good? Bolo, bolo. Yeah, and possibly use that force. Yeah. Go ahead. बोलिए.
I believe that the 2% is because we are the chosen ones.
Okay.
But there is another factor that is dependent on this, which is our ability to use that power we have. If we're not using it correctly or for the betterment of our own civilization, it would lead to a downfall.
Come on. कुछ और बोलने वाले हैं कोई? ठीक है, उसको नेक्स्ट उसमें ले. बोलो, अभी बोलो.
So the simple thing is, God did a very good thing by giving us the extra 2%.
Okay.
But our humans use
We
that.
humans, yeah.
We humans
Yeah.
use that for something bad. It's
So
not God's fault.
we have come to one conclusion here, right? Human beings have a choice
Yes.
regarding doing good or bad with the knowledge they can accumulate as a result of having that 2% difference in DNA. बात सही है?
Yes.
ठीक है ना? वो डिफरेंस जो 2% का है, वो 2% का डिफरेंस जो आपको नॉलेज के ये लेवल पे लाया लैंग्वेज के जरिए से, वो 2% को आप चूज कर सकते हैं कि अच्छाई के लिए इस्तेमाल करें, और अच्छाई से मुराद सबकी अच्छाई, गुड ऑफ ईच एंड एवरीवन, or you want the good of your own person, group or anybody, and therefore want to exploit others, and if they are not willing to get exploited, kill them, right?
Yes.
If they are not willing to get exploited, what do?
Kill them.
Exterminate them, kill them. This is what human beings are. They have been like this all through history. All through history they have been like that. So we have a good side to us and have a bad side to us. And now at the edge, right, where you are leaving school, and the choices would be in your hands slowly, more and more as you grow up. What would you want? What would you want? What would you want? You would want to make the right choices and help others, and in that others you include yourself.
Yes.
You are not away from them. You are part of the system. So you think for everyone, and therefore when you think for everyone, you have no enemies. You are thinking for everyone. So you don't look at the other as an enemy and someone who belongs to your religion, your caste, your area, your city, your village as someone close to you. You look at everyone as part of the human family, because it's now been proved. We came into this world and grew as a result of being children of one father and one mother. Only one father and one mother. पूरों के, and this has been proved by science, very clearly proved by science. कुरान भी बोलता है, या अय्युहल इंसान इन्ना खलक़कुम मिन ज़करिन व उन्सा. ओ मैनकाइंड, सबको बोल रहा है. यहाँ हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई की बात ही नहीं कर रहा है, कह रहा है ओ मैनकाइंड, ओ पीपल, नास, राइट? Surely we have created you from one male and one female, one man and one woman, and such a big difference in languages, color, right? Languages, colors, caste and all came much later on, right? Physically, and where we are born, we have certain physical features, surah shakal ke, or we have a mother tongue, right? So differences in every form, from those who are white, right? We will call them colorless, to the brown, to the yellow, and to the black. And the Quran also mentions this. That differences in color which you have is the result of the difference in color of rocks. Rocks have different colors. God mentions in the Quran, your difference. And the colors of the rock change because of external factors. Because of external factors. Climate, rocks, because where they are, the pressure and the temperature, it changes their colors, right? You have the diamond and you have the coal.
Yes.
Both are allotropes of carbon, right? What a big difference. Then you have in the intermediate kind, all others also. Graphite you have, which is having variant. But all of them are C, right? Carbon. How they are arranged. So we are like that. So now you need to understand while going out of school that we share a common parent, all of us. The colors, the languages are the result of incidental facts. अगर हम वहाँ के पेरेंट्स को पैदा हो जाते तो हमारा रंग रूप अलग रहता, जबान अलग रहती, यहाँ पर पैदा हो गए तो ये हो गया.
Yes.
कोई फर्क सुपीरियरिटी और इंफीरियरिटी का नहीं है ही नहीं, ना हो सकता है. So these factors are important for you to not use the 2% which God has given you as a blessing. Otherwise we would be running in forest, jumping from one branch to the other, eating fruit and quarreling and fighting and then ending our lives.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Thank God we are not chimpanzees, right? So but this blessing is no chimpanzee has killed. Right? A chimpanzee in the numbers in his whole life. The worst of chimpanzees has not killed in his whole life what a human being is killing in one day.
Yes.
सही है?
Yes.
So now we are becoming infinitely superior in one way to the chimpanzee. On the other side we are becoming infinitely inferior. So with this kind of a choice to become infinitely superior to becoming infinitely inferior, and all depends on your choices. All depends on your choices. So understand the importance of your choice. Either you will benefit everybody including yourself, or you will destroy others thinking that you are benefiting yourself, but in the real sense you are also destroying the best part in you, the human part in you. You are becoming worse than an animal or a chimpanzee. Any animal. Chimpanzee is the last part, right? We have dogs, donkeys, right? We have everything which we use as a curse on other people, right? We will be becoming worse than them. Result of our own choice. ऊपर वाले का कसूर है कि आपको ताकत दिया, क्या आपका कसूर है कि आपने ताकत को इस्तेमाल सही नहीं किया? जब आपके सामने आज के दिन में आप पढ़े लिखों का जुल्म देख रहे हैं, यू आर सीइंग द tyranny of the educated at the level of, I believe, Cambridge, Oxford. Education by itself doesn't give you, knowing of facts by themselves doesn't give you what to do, what not to do. There is a very simple thing. Remember this. Science is neutral as regards ends. Science is neutral as regards ends. ये एक डिक्टम है, रूल. साइंस आपको क्या है बोलती है, क्या करना चाहिए नहीं. आप उसी एटम को लेके दवा बना सकते हैं, उसी एटम एटॉमिक एनर्जी को लेके शहरों को रोशन कर सकते हैं, उसी एटम को लेके बॉम्ब बना के लोगों को तबाह कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ डबल एज स्वॉर्ड। अच्छाई भी उतनी ही कर सकते हैं, बुराई उतनी ही कर सकते हैं। तो ये चीज साइंस आपको नहीं सिखाती, मैथ्स आपको नहीं सिखाता, ठीक है। ये एरिया जो है आपका, आपकी अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग सिखाती है कि मैं किस लिए बना हूं या बनाया गया हूं। तो ये चीज का आना इतना इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए हो जाता कि अगर आपको समझ में आए कि देयर इज समबडी हु क्रिएटेड यू, हियर द इशू ऑफ द क्रिएटर कम्स, हियर द इशू ऑफ द क्रिएटर कम्स। इफ somebody has designed you with a purpose, the purpose has to be good or bad. He had infinite power to do good or bad. Nobody could stop. दुनिया में जो भी कुछ बुरा करता है, there is always a power to oppose him, if not now, a few years later, right?
Yes.
But God doesn't have, even when He started this universe or today, anybody who can oppose. पूरी दुनिया को हिला के छोड़ दिया तो, पूरी दुनिया को एक सेकंड में खत्म कर दिया तो, कोई उसको बोलने वाला है कि भाई क्या हुआ है बोल के? नहीं है ना? So if we understand that there was a force, we'll come back to it in a more detailed way. There was a force which created something like us with infinite potential to do good as well as evil, right? To do good as well as evil, and he had the option to do it or not to do it. So he did it with a good intention or a bad intention. He was not forced. Nobody forced God to do us, right? To create us, right? So when he did it with a good intent or a bad intent. Purely bad. Why? If we say that God did it with a bad intent, He had no benefit by having a bad intent. Today's people who do bad, who do evil, have a bad intent because they want to get something out. उनकी खुद की ख्वाहिश, उनकी खुद की इनसिक्योरिटी, उनकी खुद की नेसेसिटी जो समझते हैं, ठीक है। आज इसराइल बोल रहा है कि I won't be protected enough if I give Palestinians a state. So I want to take Gaza as I'll take West Bank, both of the things. Now the Palestinians are living there, and they're slowly moving people out of that, trying to do that. West Bank they have done it, Gaza they are planning to do it, right? So now, because they feel insecure, they feel need for that place, right? They want the beach area of Gaza, which they feel can be developed into 5-star hotels and have a good tourism industry there, right? God had nothing of that kind. So if people do bad, they do it for their own insecurity or wanting more and more control, power and wealth. God has all the power. He has no need. So if He does something bad, He will be worse than us or better than us. Worse, right? Obviously, He doesn't have a need. People who are doing zulm here are tyrannical in nature, are doing it for their own insecurity. Fine?
Yes.
Or their own greed. So greed and insecurity are the two things which are forcing the people who are doing this kind of killing of children.
Yes.
We call it genocide, right?
Yes.
Ethnic cleansing, right? Holocaust, name it, whatever you want. They are doing it because of insecurity and greed. God cannot have insecurity, there is nobody to oppose Him. There is no greed because He requires nothing, right? He is complete in Himself. So if He does anything, He'll do it with a good intent or a bad intent.
Good intent.
Bad possibly. Possibly नहीं. Even if you believe in God or don't believe in God, if you are believing God, you will have a God who will do only good. And now the question is, if you are associated with God who does only good, will you become good or bad or evil? बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो. ठीक है? You will become good, not even good. You will become better and better because time gives you an opportunity to learn from your past your mistakes, or even from what good you have done. You can get an idea. I can do something better than what I have already done. Attention, attention, attention. और से सुन लो, ये बातें उतना आसानी से समझ में आने वाली नहीं है, ठीक है। तो आप अगर जुड़ गए उससे जो फकत अच्छा ही कर सकता है, तो आप अच्छा करते जाएंगे, अपने पास्ट मिस्टेक से सीखेंगे, अपने पास्ट अच्छाइयों से सीख के उन अच्छाइयों पे बिल्डअप करके और बड़ी अच्छाई क्रिएट करेंगे। न्यूटन के लॉज अपनी जगह पे बहुत काम के थे, राइट? दे एक्सप्लेन्ड अ लॉट। आइंस्टाइन केम and added to it, right? As a result of the work which was done in between. about 100 years before Einstein, right? So he developed his theories, which improved on the theories of Isaac Newton and gave us a new world. So things slowly improve and improve and improve. Look at the first plane which flew about 100 and odd years ago, and the planes of today, specifically the fighter planes, right? What kind of maneuvers they do, right? Twisting, turning, somersaulting, and doing different things which are unimaginable and were unimaginable when we first started to fly about 100 and odd years ago. Who did the first flight? Right? You look at that plane, right? You'll find that it was a basic kind of a machine which can easily fly and somehow get back. The problem was not of flying, it was always of getting back. So the first flight which went and came back properly was there. So they were the first people. नहीं तो अगर जा रहे हैं ऊपर उसके बाद गिर जा रहे हैं वो बहुत आसान था, पतंग टूट जाती वैसा, ठीक है ना? So that is not a big problem. The problem is that you can learn from your mistakes, you can learn from what you have achieved and work on that achievement and develop a new world one step after another. So with all this potential to do good, why don't you do good? Or really work hard to do good? Why? क्यों होता है ऐसा? Why does it happen like that? Why don't we go really after good? सुस्ती क्यों करते हैं? हमारे अलावा खुद से चॉइस से अच्छाई करने वाला कोई और जानवर है? Any animal which can do good?
No.
No, right?
No.
So you are alone in this world who can really change the world with your good. Individually, joining with people who are willing to do good, working with them together and creating changes in every part of life. Scientific, social, political, economic, cultural, name it and you can do it.
Yes.
Now the question comes. The question of choice was important when I started.
Yes.
Right? I started off with choice. How can choice be protected from going wrong? Suno. How can choice be protected from going wrong? बड़ी चीज है ना, wrong चले गई तो अपने को भी नुकसान पहुंचा सकती है. Anybody can become a petty criminal,
Yes.
right? There are so many petty criminals around us. They kill and they get killed after a while. They kill and they get killed after a while. I have so many, I know somebody. Young boys who grew in front of me, killed and got killed. This is also, they did it out of choice, right? They did it out around us, right? I was sitting with one police officer. He said, "See, look at this people of your community who are rowdy cheaters. Those who have a cross on their name, they don't live now. They are dead." So there were a lot of wrongs on that list which he was showing me, who had been killed. Young boys in their 20s, 30s. Strange, out of choice, and in this area. So we are seeing in this world, there is choice, and what can be the idea which will stop us from making wrong choices, taking wrong decisions? It's getting more and more important. Specifically with the phone coming and giving you access to things which are meaningless, which will only destroy your ability to good and finally destroy you as a creator of good. That means will take away your human beingness, your humanity from you. It will take it away. How will we protect ourselves from it? How will we? Here, religion comes. Religions, all religions, when I talk of religions, religions are basically complementary. They support each other. Religions are not something which we would say totally different from each other. Their rituals are, but their core is an overlapping core. So when I am speaking of religion, I am speaking about that overlapping core. So I am speaking of Hinduism, Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism and Islam all together. Right? Like a set theory kind of thing. It's not mutually exclusive. यानी दो सर्कल्स नहीं है जो यहाँ पर ओवरलैपिंग. और कोर जो है ना वो कॉमन। आप देखते हैं ना, नेट थ्योरी तो पढ़ते हैं आप लोग, ठीक है? तो देयर इज अ कॉमन कोर एंड देयर इज द रिचुअल अराउंड द इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट which you call union, right? The union part is one. So I'm speaking of all religions. What do they do? Why do people still have religions when we have science doing so much? The reason is, what science does is it's neutral as regards end, and what religion is, starts giving you how you should make a choice. The Quran says, and there is so much in other religions, I'm just quoting you the Quran, right? हिंदुइज्म में भी आपको मिलता है कि परमात्मा ने हमको अपने रूप में बनाया। हम आत्मा है, वो परमात्मा है, परमात्मा है। फर्स्ट आत्मा, फर्स्ट सोल, एंड वी आर souls which has come out from the same Atma. So that is Param because it's first. And therefore we share the nature of God in our Atma. What our Atma is saying is the same thing which God wants. Now the thing is how to know what the Atma is saying, how to find your own Atma, how to find your own root to understand it from the Islamic perspective. अब ये कैसे होगा? कुरान की एक वर्स है जहाँ अल्लाह कहता है कि तुम अपने रिलीजन को कायम करो, take your religion on the basis of the nature of God on which He has fashioned all of you. एक अल्लाह बोलता है कि मेरा नेचर है, God says that He has a nature. फितरत बोलता है, अगर हम उसको अरबी का वर्ड ले लें, the word used in the verse is फितरत, ठीक है? God has a nature, and we discussed that God doesn't have evil, He has a good nature, right?
Yes.
So He says, I have fashioned you on my fitrat, my nature. अच्छी अंग्रेजी में वोंट बोलते हैं, WONT, ठीक है? तो what is it? God can do only good. We have to talk about it. God can do only good, right? So He says, I have created you in my nature. That means your Atma can do only good. But we have Atma, we have souls, we have ruh, but we are doing good and we are doing bad. So where is the good coming from and where is the bad coming from? The bad is coming from our insecurity and greed. Fine, these two things which God doesn't. So the big thing is, if we get above insecurity and if we get above above greed, will we be acting like God or not? बोलो बोलो बोलो, सोचो, पूरे भी पीछे वाले भी समझ रहे हैं? If we get over our greed and our insecurity, will we be acting like God or not? No. If we get over, हम अगर ये चीजों से अलग हो जाएं, इनको हम फतह कर लें, कामयाब हो जाएं, we don't have greed, we don't have insecurity, then will we act according to what God likes us to act, like God or not? Right? Now you got it. Right? So what is happening? Where is the greed and insecurity coming from? The body or the soul? Body. Insecurity is all में क्या है, मेरे को कुछ हो जाता है, कौन मेरे को मार डालता है, ठीक है? कौन मेरे को नुकसान पहुंचाता है, ठीक है? कौन मेरी चीज लेके भाग जाता है, ये इनसिक्योरिटी। अच्छा, मेरे को जो कुछ चीज़ा होना, बहुत सी चीज़ा होना मेरे, ठीक है? तो इफ आई कांट गेट इट इन अ राइट वे, why not use the wrong way? A lot of people who are rich, right, specifically the politicians and the bureaucrats, are rich basically because of the wrong way, right? And they are the most respected. And you look at film stars and football players and cricket players are very rich, not for the right way, for the wrong way. They know how to play football, but about 60-70 years ago, those who were playing football or cricket and the television was not there, hardly earned anything. For one test match, a test player in the 70s used to earn 500 rupees. 5 दिन खेलता था तो 500 रुपए मिलते. So most of the test players of that time, I know some of them, right? From Hyderabad used to play test cricket in the 70s. ठीक है? Some from the same locality, right? 500 rupees for a test match. And matches used to happen. There was no one day, there was no T20, right? So hardly any income. So they would be ordinary people working in banks. They would get bank jobs, and they would be working in banks, and their life was sad. What has changed? The change is entertainment industry, right? And people have been able to see these people in the crores. करोड़ों लोग देख रहे हैं. जब करोड़ों लोग देख रहे हैं तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हो रहे हैं. तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हो रहे हैं तो उसका पैसा किसको जाना चाहिए? खेलने वाले को भी जाना चाहिए, खेल खिलाने वाले को भी जाना चाहिए, ठीक है? तो ये सब पैसा उमड़ पड़ा फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. सो वी हैव cricket players, football players who are looking as gods to us, demi-gods, half gods. They do nothing godly. People who played better than them about 50 years ago earned nothing and are not known in that manner at all. Right? Good football players and good cricket players. Acting भी वही होके रह गई. ठीक है? It is more showing of the body than anything of conveying a message. तो body को दिखा के पैसे कमाना अच्छी चीज है या बुरी चीज है बोल दो. Right? So what kind of examples are you having? People whose greed and insecurity is making them look great, but they are not. Greatness belongs to only to simple, right? Anything which cannot work on the basis of greed and insecurity starts becoming great. हम जिसको महात्मा बोलते हैं ना, महात्मा गांधी को क्यों महात्मा बोलते हैं? He didn't have greed. He didn't feel insecure. He took the decisions which no one would take, which finally ended in his being shot dead. The reason he could do it, he knew that. He would say, I'm sitting on my pyre. मैं अपनी चिता पर बैठा हुआ. Before dying, a few days before dying, he understood that he is sitting on his pyre, his chita, that is going to get killed. But he kept saying what he wanted to. He kept emphasizing what he wanted to. He was doing a fast up to death for what he believed in, and finally he got shot. Like what he did in Noakhali, in Bengal, how he saved the life of thousands and thousands of people just by his intervention and putting his own life into risk. Insecurity जहाँ खत्म हो जाती है, greed जहाँ पर खत्म हो जाती है, उसको महात्मा बोलते हैं. बोलिए. जरा जोर से बोलिए. ये बात मालूम हो गई अपन लोगों को कि अपनी बॉडी को इनसिक्योरिटी है, अपनी बॉडी को ग्रीड है. सो इफ यू कंसिडर योरसेल्फ ओनली अ बॉडी, you will do only evil, because there is no limit for your greed and no limit for your insecurity. आप greed करेंगे, आपके पास कुछ आ गया, आपकी insecurity बढ़ेगी या कम होगी? ठीक है, आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए, आपकी insecurity X है. आपके पास 1 करोड़ हो जाए तो multiplied by 100. ठीक है, और बढ़ जाए, बिलियन हो जाए तो multiplied by 1000, 10,000 to the power of n+1 हो जाता. ठीक है, अब ये हो गई आपकी ग्रीड से पैसा आ रहा है और वो पैसा आपके अंदर इनसिक्योरिटी को बढ़ाता जा रहा है. ये बॉडीली, अच्छा ये मालूम है कि एक दिन सब जने मरने वाले हैं. द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ योर ग्रीड एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ योर इनसिक्योरिटी विल ऑल बिकम सब जीरो. स्टीव जॉब्स मर गए, बिलियनियर थे, इतने बिलियनियर मरते हैं, अपने साथ कुछ ले नहीं जाते, उनकी इनसिक्योरिटी, उनकी ग्रीड उनको काम नहीं आती. तो योर बॉडीली ग्रीड, योर बॉडीली इनसिक्योरिटी, इफ समबडी क्रॉसेस दैट लेवल or minimizes, he starts becoming great, and then he will be able to choose what to do with the body with the power of the soul. ये सबसे बड़ा काम है जो इंसान कर सकता है. Where he lands up as a result is secondary. What he has been able to do is controlling his greed and controlling her insecurity. इसको अगर कर लिया काम तो उसकी रूह जो है जबरदस्त तरीके से माइंड को काम में लाती है और माइंड स्टार्ट्स accumulating facts which are good or bad. Good, because you don't have insecurity, so you don't get facts in your mind which are bad. So good in the mind, that is the physical form, coming as a good in the spirit, in the soul, in the atma, in the ruh. Is this the way to live or is this not the way to live? Right? Cross your insecurities and cross your greed. आज की दुनिया, मैं घड़ी को देख करके बता दूं. Thank you. You will never get to know what